Right now, so far, we learned hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is testing the criticality. Testing the criticality ensures we travel in the correct direction, because we should not work on a factor which is not really the critical one. We need to work on the factor which is really critical. You spend time in the right area so that you make more money. So that is what we are ensuring with hypothesis testing. Now we want to talk about the treatment. We need to talk about the treatment. What is treatment? Can somebody tell me? What is treatment? Come on. What do you mean by treatment? We spoke about treatment, right?
It is the process.
Yes.
What is treatment? When you go to a doctor, doctor gives you treatment, right?
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes.
the
It's like an
treatment?
action plan, sir.
Action plan.
Implementation.
Very good. So
Solution.
fixing the levels of the factors is called a treatment. Fixing the levels or fixing the appropriate level for the factor is called a treatment. For example, when you are making idli, salt should be 7.5 gram. Salt equal to 7.5 gram is the treatment. So for you to give the treatment better, you should know the relationship between X and Y. To give the treatment, what are you supposed to know? You are supposed to know the relationship between X and Y. So that is what we are going to learn in the tool called correlation and regression. So we will discuss all these things. And before getting into correlation and regression, you must know another QC tool. See, just before we understood a QC tool called histogram. And now this is called a scatter diagram. Do you know scatter diagram, all of you? Scatter
Yes, sir.
diagram will have an x-axis, will have y-axis. In scatter diagram, both x and y should be continuous data. In scatter diagram, both x and y should be continuous data. The x variable is called predictor and y variable is called response. And now, there are three scatter diagram I am showing. 1, 2, and 3. Look at the third one. Points are completely scattered. Points are completely scattered. Sometimes you see children playing in a playground in a school where where the top view will look like this. Am I correct? Children
Yes.
are playing. Children are
Yes, sir.
scattered throughout the playground. So what do you understand when children are scattered like this? You understand they are given the full freedom. Nobody is controlling them, isn't it? They can play whatever they want, and so they are completely scattered. Similarly, whenever in your scatter diagram you see all your points completely scattered like this, you can understand your y variable is not controlled by the x variable. There is no control, right, on your y by the x variable you are studying. There is no relationship between x and y. You can conclude there is no correlation. But look here, this point for curve number 1, scatter diagram 1. All the points are standing, in a perfect straight line. Imagine you are going to a school playground where children are standing in a perfect straight line. What do you understand now? In the playground itself, students are standing in a straight line.
Something is controlling them to.
That means because there is a PT
Somebody is
master,
controlling them.
the PT teacher is nearby and then controlling all the students, isn't it?
Yes.
Same way, when you see a pattern getting formed in your scatter diagram, you can understand your x variable is controlling your y variable. You understand?
Yes.
Whenever you see a pattern in the scatter diagram, please understand your y variable is controlled by the x variable. And if they are in a perfect straight line, we call it perfect correlation. We call it perfect correlation. So correlation is a study of linearity. This is perfect linearity. Relationship is positive. I call the relationship positive because as x increases, y increases. This is called a positive correlation. And I also call the relation as strong. Why do I call the relation strong? All of them on the perfect straight line. Now this number 2, scatter diagram 2. Now tell me, do you think your y is controlled by x?
Yes.
Or no?
Still,
Yes. And now the correlation is positive or negative?
It's a negative.
Yes.
It's an opposite.
Negative.
Because as x increases, y is coming
Y
down.
down.
And now the relationship is strong or weak?
Weak.
Still strong.
Strong. Strong means everything on the line.
Straight line. Yeah.
Strong means everything on the line.
Strong.
If you see up and down, you can consider moderate or weak. See here, correlation is a study of linearity. Study of linear relationship. The formula to find out the linear relationship is R. R is called Pearson correlation coefficient. When you have set of x value and y value, you can use this formula to find out R. What is R called? Pearson correlation coefficient. N is the number of data. X bar is the average. Sx is the standard deviation of x. Similarly, y bar is the average for y variable. Sy is the standard deviation of y, and xi and yi are individual data points. Your R can vary between +1 and -1. It can be 0 to +1, or it can be 0 to -1. 0 to +1 is called positive correlation or direct correlation. 0 to -1 is called negative correlation or inverse correlation. Within 0 to 1, up 0 to 0.4 is called weak correlation. 0.4 to 0.7 is called moderate correlation. 0.7 to 1 is called strong correlation. Do all of you understand?
Sir, what's the R? Pearson?
Pearson correlation coefficient. That will help you to understand the strength of the linear relationship. When you get a R value of 0, what does it mean? No correlation.
Correlation.
When you get a R value of 1, what does it mean?
Strong
Perfect
correlation.
correlation. The one you have seen in the picture, previous picture. Perfect straight line. And now I am showing a diagram, scatter diagram, and look at the points, the blue color dots. Don't look at the red color line. The red color line is called regression line. We'll discuss later. Now the blue color dot. Now tell me, is there a correlation between x and y?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That
Yes.
means your x is controlling the y.
Yes. Correct.
That means your x is controlling the y. And now, is it a positive correlation?
It's a positive correlation.
And tell me, is it a strong correlation or moderate correlation or weak correlation?
Strong
So
correlation.
strong correlation. It's close to
So,
straight.
a very simple tool called the scatter diagram is helping you to understand whether your experience is controlling the y or not. The same tool is helping you to understand whether the correlation is positive or not. The same tool is also helping you to understand whether the relationship is strong, weak, or medium. Clear? That's it.
Yes.
Now, what is your comment about this scatter diagram? Is it strong, weak, or medium, positive or negative?
So strong positive correlation.
Strong positive.
Strong
9.9.
positive. What is this one?
So
Strong
strong negative.
Strong positive, strong negative. Very good. What is this one?
Weak positive.
One.
Weak negative.
Yes.
Very good. Weak positive, weak negative. And now this one.
No correlation.
No correlation. This one.
It's also seems to be
No.
Strong.
No correlation, no relation.
Relationship.
Here, no correlation, but there is relation.
probably.
Do you understand the difference between the two? R is 0 in both cases. Here, no correlation means no linearity. Here also no linearity, but there is a quadratic relationship.
Relationship.
What is this relationship called? Quadratic relationship, otherwise called parabolic relationship. So this is about correlation. So regression we will discuss after the tea break. Any questions to me at this stage? Are we going good today?
So what's the x-axis and y-axis called?
X-axis is called, a predictor variable. Y-axis is called the response variable. You represent predictor variable in the x-axis and response variable in the y-axis. Clear?
So any
Input
one can
factors and
control
output
each one,
factors.
sir.
Not
Input
anyone
factor and
can
output factor.
control other. X, Y is controlled by X. Always response variable is controlled by the predictor variable. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Any questions? No questions? Are we going good today? Or is it very tough to understand?
Some
Good,
tough
sir.
to understand.